The days of using Bluetooth to transfer files between two devices, a smartphone and a personal computer, are over. With this tool I'm going to be showing you, you can easily transfer files from your smartphone, either Android or iPhone, to your personal computer, either Windows or Mac, in 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Note, to make effective use of this tool I'm going to be showing you, make sure your smartphone and your PC, your personal computer, are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another tutorial series. In this tutorial series, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from your smartphone, either Android or iPhone, to your personal computer, either Windows or Mac. The days of using Bluetooth to transfer files between two devices, a smartphone and a personal computer, are over. With this tool I'm going to be showing you, you can easily transfer files from your smartphone, either Android or iPhone, to your personal computer, either Windows or Mac, in 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Before we begin, click on the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my tutorial series. Note, to make effective use of this tool I'm going to be showing you, make sure your smartphone and your PC, your personal computer, are connected to the same Wi-Fi. In this part, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your Android smartphone to your personal computer.
Step 1. Go to your Google Play Store. Search for SHAREit. Click on the main SHAREit app, not the light version. Then download. Step 2. Open your Microsoft Store. Search for SHAREit. Click the first search to reset. Then click on Install. Step 3. Open the software. Like I said earlier, make sure your Android and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you open the desktop software, a barcode will come up for you to scan with your phone. Step 4. Open the mobile app on your Android. Click the plus sign at the top right. Then click Connect to PC. Step 5. Scan the barcode shown on your PC with your Android. Step 6. Once connected, you'll see your phone file manager on your PC. Select the file you want to receive from your phone, either picture, video, or documents. For some of us using Apple devices, this tool is available for all Apple users. It's available on Mac systems and also available on iPhone. So you can easily transfer files from your Android smartphone to your MacBook, or from your iPhone to your MacBook by connecting both devices to the same wireless network. All you have to do is download SHAREit from the Apple Store on your MacBook and follow from step 3. That's it. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2, I'll show you how to transfer from your Android to PC with a Wi-Fi connection. Like and share this video so others will learn from this tutorial. See you next time.